So tell me, how did you guys meet each other?
We were school friends.
Okay,
We first met in school.
you guys first met in school. Wonderful. And how did all started? You proposed her or she proposed you?
I proposed
How many years ago?
16 years ago, 15 years ago.
Class 7.
In class 7. You guys proposed each other at class 7?
Each other, not each other. He proposed.
I proposed.
You proposed.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Tell me one thing. What made you by the time when you were in class 7, it was kind of a childhood love,
Yeah.
right? So what made you propose to her? I'm sure there were plenty of other girls around.
Right.
So
A lot of things, cuteness, my affinity towards her. I just loved the essence at that point in time. There was some, you never get to have the different kind of feeling that you're you're in different love or something. It's just that you feel being good with someone. So I loved talking to her. I loved spending my breaks with her. So we used to chat a lot, and it's like one of those fancy terms. You go ahead and feel that okay, maybe I love her. You go out to her and say that you know what, I love you.
okay. And what made you say yes to him?
He is lying actually. It's total, the whole story is a wrong concept. I mean, it was just a challenge between two friends,
Okay.
and that moved on to
So what was the challenge about?
that he is going to propose me and I'm going to say yes.
Okay.
And
And
I was not saying yes, it continued and it became serious.
it continued, it became serious, but at the end, bottom line was that he was, doing it for a challenge. So why did you say yes?
But later on it is serious, no? It became serious.
It became serious. So what is the one best thing that you like about him?
That he constantly loved me. I mean, till even I said him yes in my graduation.
In
third-
grads.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
in third year.
In third year of grads. So that is around 8 years later. Okay.
Yeah.
And till that time he was running behind you.
Yeah.
Boy, you are just wonderful. Okay, then?
Then it moved on like this.
No,
Said
what?
each other's parents and everything.
No, that's fair, but what I wanted to know is, what is just one single thing about him? I mean, no one else can have that.
Yeah, because he loved me so much. I mean, nowadays you never get a guy like this. That even if a girl is saying no.
So you have looked for, apart from him, that's the reason why you are able to say that, you do not get something like this. I have checked it out outside.
Nothing like that.
Nothing like that. So it means that, it was kind of a blindfolded, support or something like that, which says that, okay, fair enough, we cannot get anything other than this.
No, it is not that also.
Okay.
But I found him to be more, I mean, better than anybody else.
But, so when you say better than anybody else,
Yes, there are many proposals. I got many proposals, but
hmm,
those are not good enough like him.
okay, they didn't qualify in your
Yeah.
process, right? What about you?
Well, I
Don't you think that 8 years is a very long time for a guy to hold on and
yeah,
for a
but,
girl to say yes?
there were many signals strong enough to just say that it's just that yes that's missing. Everything else, having the time together, spending time together, checking out on talks together, silently, speaking, checking out on your parents not catching you. Are strong enough signals to keep you going that that one word is just round the corner.
Okay. And tell me one thing. In the school, did you guys exchange love letters?
No.
Never. Okay. What was the first gift that he gave you?
Difficult to remember at this age.
And what was the gift that he gave you? An umbrella?
It is still with me, I still use it.
You still use it? When did he give it to you? In class 7?
That those days I don't accept gifts.
Okay. Tell me one thing. I mean,
Greetings card is allowed.
only greetings cards were allowed. Okay. What was the first reaction of your, parents? They were just ready, saying, "Okay, fair enough. We are absolutely agreed on what."
They survived me long enough.
Okay.
Okay, they have like known that this guy is there around the corner.
Uh huh.
So when her daughter would break the news to her, to them, it would be like, okay, we knew it.
Okay.
We are waiting for you to tell us, kind of thing.
Okay. Now, being in love and being a life partner is altogether, it's a different ball game. Correct. So, what made you think that that this should be have a legal stamp on it?
To me, I would like feel it as an excuse to stay together more, to spend more time with each other. Honestly, having a legal stamp or not having a legal stamp would not matter so much. It's the societal norms that would make it different. But to me, I would buy it as a reason to spend more time with each other.
Now, what you guys are going to do? One of you are going to be in Bangalore and one of you are going to be in Chennai.
Yeah. And I'm going to hope that I'm going to switch within the next few days or 1 month at least to switch to Bangalore and switch.
Wonderful. I think that would be the solution of this entire thing. Else, you guys would have been spending a hell lot on, flight costs and train costs and blah blah blah. Okay, tell me one thing. What is one thing which is bad about her?
Bad about?
Bad about her.
About her?
Yeah.
Her anger. Been on the wrong side many a times.
Okay. And what is one thing which is bad about him?
The thing which is bad is when I'm angry or when I shout at him, he doesn't react to it.
That's bad.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
However you react with him, however you shout, he's not going to say anything. He's just quiet. It doesn't matter to him, whatever you do. That is the worst part, I think.
That's the most worst part of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
The thing is, I'm not.
so are you gonna say are you going to change that? Because when she's saying that you have to react, so are you going to give some kind of reaction?
Absolutely. It's learned through ages, through experiences of others. As they say, a wise man is someone who learns from others, right? So I've learned the best way to deal, crisis situation is to be quiet in a relationship.
To be quiet.
Yeah, when the argument is on, put your hands up. Nothing good.
Okay. And when you get angry, does she react to something? No.
It very rarely happens that I get angry.
Okay. Tell me one thing. How